I really liked it personally because like how would you say, I find myself in this kind of structure with like a good musicality, lyrics very easy to remind about. Um, and yeah, what I wrote now, it's like, so yeah, good musicality, good timing. At 1:39, he introduced like a nice special sounds. Like for me, it's a good example of what you need to do, like for very well structured elimination round. Like you have the perfect structure for me. Um, and also you have like special sounds. So at 1:39, I think. So this one. Yeah. And after second drop is heavier. This one. So yeah, for me, very good, and also the slowing intro, outro. Very good idea for me. So that's why I think it's a very nice example of a well-structured elimination round. Do you agree with that, Big Ben?
Yeah, it's basic, but it works, and it's very very nice.
Yeah.
Like you understand everything, and about the part that you mentioned, something really nice when you do an elimination is at this moment of your elimination, like three quarter, it's nice to introduce something new and something that will be better, that's better than what you've done before. And here he introduced several new sounds that sounds really good, and
Mm.
I think it was a really 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 well structured elimination.
Yeah.
In addition, uh, the his introduction with the singing, uh, it looks like he had something on his heart, you know, like
Oh, yeah.
he.
It's a true story, right?
Yeah, I don't know if it's true or not, but if it's true, it's a bit sad. But
Yeah.
I find this brave to sing your story
Mm-mm.
on stage. And it's also for this that we do music. It's to share emotions. It's not only click rolls and lips rolls. It's not only basses,
Yeah.
but yeah, it was really nice. Uh, Even if it was sad, it was nice.
Yeah, yeah. I agree. Sometimes, like when, yeah, I don't know if it's true or not, but when you like create lyrics that you feel them and you can, yeah, be easily related with them. It's so powerful. Like
Yeah,
with River, for example, with so many good beatboxers, you can feel that it's yeah, real emotions that you want to transmit. So it's
yeah, and
even
even
more
even
powerful.
if it's just melody, it's not obliged to be lyrics. Sometimes when someone is doing just a melody, you can
Feel the
understand what he feels.
yeah,
Yeah, you can understand,
true.
and I think that that's really nice to do this in an elimination round. Um, you show yourself. You don't show a character. You show yourself, and it was really nice. And
Yeah,
after the sad part, he just goes on and do better and better.
yeah, release
Uh,
everything.
i-
Yeah.
yeah, it's really nice.
Mm.
I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, I agree. And Lutev in the chat said he masters lips. So yeah, nice lips techniques.
Yeah,
As we said, like the first drop is good, and the second drop is even better. So
yeah.
so yeah, the energy
The
goes up. So that's very nice.
the structure is perfect, and
Yeah,
he just followed the good game plan, and there's
yeah.
nothing to say.
He followed
There's
the
nothing
meta.
to follow the meta.
Yeah, just yeah, I have nothing to add as a I would say strong points. So yeah,
Yeah, me neither.
well done, meta.
For the weak points, I don't have a lot to say. Um, just some of the sound can be cleaner. I'm speaking about the throat bass at the beginning. I mean the whole first part, it can be cleaned a little bit, and
Yeah,
At the end, he was
you want to show
out.
the which parts you are talking about? Sorry for interrupting.
Oh, I'm talking about the first 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Like,
Okay.
yeah, the whole thing with the bass and the like.
Yeah.
He does.
So the intro like this.
Yeah.
There was this girl.
Yeah.
Who was
This part.
Yeah, maybe it's not a matter of how clean are the sound, but more that I can hear his breath a lot.
Ah, yeah.
Like you can hear you can really hear everything, and it makes the whole composition being less clean. It doesn't mean that you don't have to breathe, of course, but it was a bit loud, and that's my point.
Yeah.
And at the end, it's a bit worse because he's out of breath because everything he just done before was a bit hard to do. But the thing is, if you want to do this, you can, but you have to be able to do it. You know,
Yeah.
you cannot put your elimination in danger because you cannot do it physically. And I think it was maybe a problem of stress or whatever, but now he knows that he has this problem, and he has to do he have to do something against for it. I mean, it's yeah,
Can you show us like if I show you the end? What the
when
moments?
he sings
Yeah.
after the lip roll part, just after the lip roll part.
Before?
You can hear
Oh, no,
no this you don't hear his breath.
Ah, yeah, all right, okay. We can hear it exactly. Okay.
Faites du bruit pour
Yeah.
Meta, s'il vous plaît.
But I feel
Like-
he's in control, like the slow is on purpose. Yeah,
Yeah,
just
it's not about control. I mean, it's about control, but he didn't do bad at this moment. I just say that it could have been more beautiful if we didn't hear his breath
Yeah, okay.
at the same time. You know.
okay. I understand now. All right.
Yeah, it's not a matter of being good or bad. It's just I feel like it just sounds nicer if we hear the sound you want people to hear,
Yeah.
and not these sounds plus something else.
Yeah.
And also it's not really elegant to have the
Yeah.
at the same time. Even more when you speak about love and
Yeah.
I mean you can, but maybe it has to have a meaning. Like maybe you out of breath because of this, but it was not. There we could hear that it was not like on purpose that he was doing this sound.
Yeah. True. If you want to make
And
like
that was the problem I had with
Yeah.
this clean sound. But that's the only thing. Otherwise, he's really good, and his elimination was good.
yeah, we
Uh,
don't. I wrote like maybe you could have like more surprises just to surprise to captivate the crowd and the judges, but for
what
me
do you mean
even
by
though
surprises?
like breaks, transitions, variations to different
Okay,
musical
okay.
genres,
Yeah.
just to keep the audience captivated. But even that is it's not a real improvement points because as I
Yeah.
said I like the structure and
The
its
structure was
points
good,
and its music.
and
Yeah.
the new sounds he shown were enough for this. Maybe it could have come a little bit before, but it's just details.
Yeah.
I think that the thing he really needs to work on is how much energy he gives on his sound,
Yeah.
so he can just do his singing outro without being out of breath.
Yeah, and maybe after he can focus on stage presence, for example, because we can see, for example, if I show again like in very accelerated, like maybe 2, where does he move? we can see it's always back, so
Yeah.
very static. So yeah, he can improve just by owning more
Of course.
the stage. Yeah, this is just an easy point of improvement, I would say.
Yeah.
All right. Do you have something else to add, Big Ben, about meta?
No, it was nice.
Yeah, cool. Perfect. Yeah, I just show this. Perfect. All right. Okay. So that was it for meta qualification analysis. Let us know if you agree or not with us in the comments. Do you want to make serious progress in beatbox? Click on the link in the description below and join our beatbox school to level up faster than ever.